What's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why I think the KRK Rokit studio monitors are some of the best studio monitors for the price. Now when it comes to buying audio gear, if you've been in the audio world for quite a bit, you know that it can get pretty expensive. And so it's always nice to find good products that are high quality and provide professional sound with, a budget-friendly price. It's so great when you stumble upon these sorts of things, and I think that's where KRK has really excelled, especially over the past decade or so, in producing really wonderfully high quality studio monitors that are affordable for home producers, home mix engineers, etc. Now, if you guys don't know about KRK Systems began manufacturing their studio monitors back in about 2003 with the Generation 1 KRKs. We are currently in the year 2020, and you are looking at the KRK G4 8s. The G4, of course, stands for Generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. Now, KRK has come a long way since their inception, and I think they're built better, they sound better, just the overall quality and the features that they provide are so much better in so many ways. And I kind of want to go over what makes these great and why I think that they are the best studio monitors out there for the price. Now, to start, they have a wonderful build. They have these new Kevlar low-frequency woofers, which are wonderful. The Kevlar material provides a nice, tight bass frequency response compared to the older generations of these monitors, which had a kind of a flabbier, looser, and more exaggerated bass. So the cool thing about that is that they listened to the customer complaints, and they really made the most of it, and they sound so much more professional than they used to, which is awesome. So that's one thing. For another thing, they do have these front-firing bass ports. Now, of course, the cool thing about these is that for most people who are going to be buying in this range, and I'm talking about home studio producers or mix engineers, you're probably not going to have room treatment. And that means that you have to be careful about where you place your monitors, because you can get this low frequency buildup that can really kind of run you into trouble when you're mixing or producing. Now, a lot of cheap studio monitors, they'll have these backfiring bass ports, and the unfortunate thing is, if you're working in a smaller room or a smaller untreated environment, then you have you run the risk of having low frequency buildup if your studio monitors are backed up against flat surfaces such as windows, walls, etc. The cool thing about these front firing bass ports is that they come out towards you, so you don't need to worry about where you set them up in your room as much. And it's just a nice little helpful thing that I think is really important and makes these great for people who are on a budget. Lastly, you do have the DSP Driven onboard EQ, and I'll kind of get back here so I can show you what's going on. This DSP Driven EQ, it's right here. A little LCD screen. Really nice and easy. It's very functional. You can go through and make fine-tune adjustments to the low and high frequencies as well as the overall volume. And it's really great, again, for people who have untreated mixing or producing environments. It basically allows you to better tune your monitors to your specific room so that you can fix any maybe negative nuances that you're getting from your monitors right off the bat. So yeah, I mean, the low frequency Kevlar driver, front firing bass ports, DSP driven EQ on the back, there's really a lot of features here that are just so solid, and honestly, I think these could be priced way higher, and I would still buy them. So yeah, that's why I think that KRK Rokit studio monitors are some of the best monitors on the market for the price. If you guys have any questions or insights into why you don't think I'm right, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.